Incredible damage there. Michelle, we got some stormy days ahead. Anything severe though?
It does look like we could have a couple of severe storms tomorrow. So it's a marginal risk of one of our first levels, you know, but that could mean that we get some wind damage too, along with that quarter size hail. And we don't want that, especially on All-Star Race weekend. But we do have some shower chances that build by late afternoon. Right now, you've got some heavy rain out there for folks up in the northern Piedmont, Mount Airy, Martinsville. We've been seeing those showers just come down pretty hard and bring in half-inch totals today in many areas, and we continue that trend for another hour or two. About 1 a.m. things should start to wind down as we lift this area off to the north and east. Along 311 though, 52, it's a soggy go out there right now. We have 66 degrees in Greensboro, 67 in Winston-Salem. That front is just to our south. This is helping to provide a little bit more lift at the surface. We have plenty of energy aloft that has been getting those showers and thunderstorms going with those waves today. Brief rain break by early tomorrow morning with a little bit of a light breeze, but we still have 2 impact days in a row tomorrow for good rain chances in addition to that severe risk, which is marginal level 1. And we've got cooler conditions on Sunday. Clouds and showers are around, but we're hoping that we might even be able to drop you from that impact as we watch those models tomorrow morning. We're hopeful, but not 100% sure just yet. But we've got the scattered showers out there. Sure that we're going to get more rounds of heavy rain at times through the afternoon tomorrow. And wow, look at it spread out from Danbury through Martinsville. We had a lot of good moisture coming in from the Gulf of Mexico, and this is what you're seeing here. Rainfall rates that have been as high as 2.5 to 3 inches per hour. It's leading us to some rainfall totals that are in the half to almost 3/4 of an inch totals today. 4-day total though, really intense over the eastern Triad. Anywhere that sees showers and thunderstorms in these zones in particular, from High Point, Pleasant Garden area, Greensboro up through Yanceyville, we could see some localized flooding. Those would be the areas we'd want to watch for as we go into the next 24 hours, and almost 2 inches up near Mount Airy. So excessive rainfall outlook, marginal risk as well. That's a level 1 for you. Rainfall totals today in Greensboro, 68/100 of an inch, still keeping us as the wettest May on record so far. And you've got above normal rainfall totals by more than 4 inches, and for the year, more than 5 inches as well. So doing well there. We could use a little break from the rain. We've got that marginal risk area for severe thunderstorms that covers most of North Carolina. Then that slight risk as we get out toward the Sandhills heading toward the coast. You've got large hail, localized flooding as well. And those damaging winds could be above 60 miles an hour. Looks like straight line wind concerns, but can't rule out an isolated tornado potentially. And we're going to be watching that warm front lift in with an area of low pressure. Right now we've got one boundary here that is stationary that'll wash out as we go through the overnight hours. Those temperatures, as we mentioned, we're in the upper 70s, 76 degrees for high today at PTIA. So not bad. Tomorrow morning you start out in the 60s, so you're already muggy, and you've got some scattered showers that may develop by noontime, but mostly seeing a dry start. It doesn't look terribly rainy to begin our Saturday. It gets going though between 1 and 2. Shower storms may start to form over the foothills, North Wilkesboro, where we have the All-Star Race weekend continuing. Scattered showers may be heavy, if not isolated severe storms. So damaging wind threats developing between the dinner hour from 6 to about 9 o'clock for folks in the Piedmont Triad. Hopefully we can clear that by 9 o'clock. And again, the timing may change as we talk about the storms building throughout the day tomorrow. And check in with meteorologist Dylan Hudler in the morning. He's going to have the latest for you. 65 degrees up to 77. Impact hours, of course, later in the afternoon to near 77 in the foothills, and upper 60s out there on Sunday, hoping that we can dry out. But we've got sunshine finally returning by Monday in the low 70s. We'll be back with more.